17번. 다음 상황 설명을 듣고 피터의 어머니가 할 말로 가장 적절한 것을 고르시오.
Peter walks into the kitchen and finds his father preparing the breakfast. It seems that his mother became ill during the night and will have to stay in bed for some time. So, Peter goes to his mother and tells her not to worry and to get well soon. He even volunteers to do the cooking for the family until she gets well again. Peter's mother is deeply impressed by his kind offer, though she has already arranged for his aunt to come and do the cooking. In this situation, what would Peter's mother most probably say to him?
이제 듣기 말하기 문제가 끝났습니다. 18번부터는 문제지의 지시에 따라 답을 하기 바랍니다.